In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn off previews on the Facebook app when you're using it on your PC. If you've noticed those automatic previews showing up and you'd prefer a cleaner, more private browsing experience, you're in the right place. Let's walk through it step by step. First, go ahead and open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings we need. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to open the account menu. From that drop-down menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand a few more options underneath. Next, click on Settings. This will take you to a page where you can control different aspects of your Facebook experience. Now, on the left-hand side or within the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Followers and Public Content. Go ahead and click on that. You're now in the area where Facebook manages how your content is seen by others, including previews. Scroll through the options until you find the setting called Off Facebook Previews. This controls whether your activity or shared links generate previews outside of Facebook. To turn it off, simply toggle the option so it's disabled. Once it's switched off, Facebook will stop showing those previews based on your activity. And that's it, you've successfully turned off previews on Facebook using your PC. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you value privacy or just want a cleaner look while browsing. If this helps you out, you're all set to enjoy a more streamlined Facebook experience.